It's consuming all the gloom. I'm sitting by the window, watching the street lights bleed, painting everything in blue, like the color of the ink and the need. We used to laugh when the moon hit the glass, but now the glass just holds the reflection of things that wouldn't last. I keep waiting